Tiny but mighty. This is the Thermaltake Tower 200, everything you loved about our compact Tower 100 with some sweet new elements. The Tower 200 is 537mm high, 300mm wide and 280mm deep. This makes it a super versatile size, able to fit a Mini ITX motherboard and even a 4090 graphics card. The Tower 200 is a case that looks good from all angles, featuring a gorgeous large vertical tempered glass front panel which can be popped out by a simple push, providing easy access for maintenance or switching in and out any hardware. On the other hand, both side panels feature perforated metal to maximize airflow, enhancing the thermal performance. The Tower 200 also comes in either a black or snow edition to work beautifully alongside whatever color scheme that you can imagine. The Tower 200 also comes with two pre-installed CT 140mm standard fans at the top and rear. These awesome PWM fans will help you get your airflow going from the get-go. And speaking of airflow, that has been thoroughly considered in the Tower 200 also. The case's unique design creates a chimney effect, whereby cool air is pulled through the bottom of the case and hot air exhausted out the top. This ensures that your sweet 4090 remains nice and cool inside the chassis. The Tower 200 can support a variety of hardware to allow you to build the PC that you've been dreaming of. You can run a CPU cooler with a max height of 200mm or a graphics card with a length of 280mm with the power cover or 380mm without it. You can also run with a power supply with a max length of 220mm. So yes, that means it's even compatible with ATX 3.0 PSUs. Fan-wise, you can install up to a 140mm fan at the top or two 140mm ones on the right side. You can also install up to two 140mm fans at the rear. You can most certainly still water cool in this case too, despite its smaller size. You can fit up to a 140mm radiator at the top or a 280mm AIO radiator on the right hand side. The Tower 200 also has a bunch of awesome features that elevate this little guy to new heights. You can fit up to two 3.5-inch HDDs or two 2.5-inch SSDs for all your storage needs. To further aid you in keeping your components at their best, the Tower 200 also features multiple removable dust filters. This makes cleaning and keeping the dust bunnies at bay super easy. And the awesome features of the Tower 200 don't end there. If you're a little concerned about your chunky GPU hanging vertically, we've got you. The Tower 200 features a GPU stabilizer to ensure your card doesn't wobble during use or even transport. Like its predecessors, the Tower 200 also supports an optional LCD panel kit, allowing you to install a stunning LCD screen on the bottom of the case. This LCD screen can monitor your frequencies and real-time temperatures directly, or you can even upload your own images or GIFs to it with our TT RGB Plus 2.0 software. Able to support a variety of features despite its smaller size, the Tower 200 is everything that you loved about the previous Tower cases in a shiny new size. So if you're looking for a perfect compact case to house your fancy new 4090, then your search is over, because the Tower 200 is the one for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments about the Tower 200, remember to leave them down below in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.